मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मैं काम में लगा हुआ था। I was into some work. I was into some work. तुम्हें उसका ज़रा भी ख्याल नहीं आया। You didn't even think about him. You didn't even think about him. बालों में तेल लगा लो। Apply oil on your hair. Apply oil on your hair. आज आप किसके साथ सोएंगे? With whom will you sleep today? With whom will you sleep today? मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था। I was just kidding. I was just kidding. माफ़ कीजिए, मैं समय पर नहीं आ सका। I am sorry, I got late. I am sorry, I got late. मुझे बहुत बातें करनी हैं। I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो। You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. आपको हुई असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है। We regret for the inconvenience caused to you. We regret for the inconvenience caused to you. मैं तुमसे ज़रूर मिलूँगा। I will surely meet you. I will surely meet you. अटक अटक के मत बोलो। Don't stutter. Don't stutter. जल्दबाजी में तुम भूल जाते हो। You always forget in haste. You always forget in haste. सबसे पहला महीना कौन सा है? Which is the first month? Which is the first month? एक माह में कितने सप्ताह होते हैं? How many weeks are there in a month? How many weeks are there in a month? हम सबको अंग्रेजी भाषा सीखनी चाहिए। We all must learn English language. We all must learn English language. उसकी प्रतिभा काबिले तारीफ है। His talent is praiseworthy. His talent is praiseworthy. तुमने मुझे आज कैसे कॉल किया? How did you call me up today? How did you call me up today? भारत गणतंत्र कब बना? When did India become republic? When did India become republic? आप कब पैदा हुए? When were you born? When were you born? अब मुझे चलना चाहिए। I must leave now. I must leave now. जब तक तुम मेहनत नहीं करोगे, सफल नहीं हो पाओगे। Unless you work hard, you will not be able to succeed. Unless you work hard, You will not be able to succeed. क्या आप उससे मेरी बात करा दोगे? Could you please make me talk to him? Could you please make me talk to him? आपकी आवाज़ कट रही है. I'm sorry, you are breaking up. I'm sorry, you are breaking up. क्या आपने अभी टिकट नहीं लिया है? Haven't you bought the ticket so far? Haven't you bought the ticket so far? सड़क पर मुरम्मत चल रही है. The road is under repairing. The road is under repairing. वो इतना बीमार है कि बिस्तर से उठ नहीं सकता. He is so weak that he can't rise from the bed. He is so weak that he can't rise from the bed. फ़ोन को चार्जिंग से उतार दो. Unplug the phone from charging. Unplug the phone from charging. तुमने किसको साइकिल के पीछे बिठाया है? Whom have you made sit at the back of your bicycle? Whom have you made sit at the back of your bicycle? यह बस कहाँ जाती है? Where does this bus lead to? Where does this bus lead to? अभी गाड़ी आने में आधा घंटा बाकी है. It is still half an hour for the train to arrive. It is still half an hour for the train to arrive. जैसे ही मैंने खेलना शुरू किया, पापा आ गए. The moment I started playing, Dad turned up. The moment I started playing, Dad turned up. उसने ऐसा क्या कहा कि तुम्हें बुरा लग गया? What did he say to make you feel bad? What did he say to make you feel bad? ये पैसा वसूल मूवी थी. This movie was worth watching. This movie was worth watching. ट्रेन किस समय छूटती है? When does the train leave? When does the train leave? उसकी जान में जान आई. He heaved a sigh of relief. He heaved a sigh of relief. यह बच्चा बड़ा प्यारा लगता है. This child looks very lovely. This child looks very lovely. मेरा तुम्हें दुख पहुंचाने का कोई इरादा नहीं है. I don't mean to hurt you. I don't mean to hurt you. पुलिस स्टेशन कहाँ है? Where is the police station? Where is the police station? पुलिस स्टेशन कहाँ कहाँ है? Where all are the police stations? Where all are the police stations? तुम्हें यह पर्स कहाँ मिला? Where did you find this wallet? Where did you find this wallet? सबसे पास बस स्टॉप कहाँ है? Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? उसने मुझे सलाह दी कि कहाँ रहना है। She advised me where to stay. She advised me where to stay. आज का अखबार कहाँ है? Where is today's newspaper? Where is today's newspaper? राहुल पार्टी कहाँ दे रहा है? Where is Rahul giving party? Where is Rahul giving party? वो कहाँ कहाँ जाता है? Where all does he go? Where all does he go? वो कहाँ कहाँ जाता है और कब कब? Where all does he go and how often? Where all does he go and how often? आपने कहाँ कहाँ काम किया है? Where all have you worked? Where all have you worked? आपने कहाँ काम किया है और किसके साथ? Where all you have worked and with whom?
ये क्या क्वेश्चन है?
Where all have you worked and with whom? जहाँ कहीं भी मैं देखता हूँ तुम ही दिखती हो। Wherever I see it's you. Wherever I see it's you.